What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to sign up for the Walmart affiliate program. Alright guys, in this video it is time for a giveaway winner. Today's giveaway winner is Affiliate Watch. Thank you so much for leaving a comment on my video. Send me an email to winner@learnhowgroup.com and I will get you your Amazon gift card. If you want to win an Amazon gift card, make sure you're liking, commenting on videos, because every week I'm giving away a gift card to one of our loyal followers. All right, guys, let's learn how to sign up for the Walmart affiliate program. Most people didn't even know that Walmart had an affiliate program. When people think of affiliate marketing, they mostly think of Amazon associates. But there is a Walmart affiliate program that you can sign up for as an influencer. To sign up for the Walmart affiliate program, you're just going to come right here to affiliates.walmart.com and then click the Become a Member button. Now, on this page, you're going to fill out all of your company information. Like I said in other videos, you're gonna need a social security number or an EIN, a tax number. Then you've got your account info. You're gonna fill out your website information. If you don't have a website, I've got other videos on this channel that will help you get started with a blogger website so that you can start making money from affiliate marketing. And then down here towards the bottom, you've got the payment threshold, which is set at $50, but you can change that upwards of $100, $200, whatever the amount is, that will be the amount that you get paid for once you reach that threshold. Then when you're finished, it's simply coming down, agreeing to the terms and conditions, and clicking Sign Me Up. Let's talk really quickly about some frequently asked questions with the Walmart affiliate program. So Walmart uses link share, which Nordstrom and a few other big affiliate programs also use. So like we mentioned in other videos, they reserve the right to accept or reject anyone to their affiliate program. So it doesn't mean that you're going to be accepted just because you applied. Now, how much can you earn? Affiliates can earn up to 4% on each eligible sale. So that's very similar to some of those other retail commission websites, but there's another little link right here that will take you to their other commission rates. The Walmart affiliate cookie also lasts for about 3 days from what I understand, which is a little bit longer than the 24-hour cookie for Amazon associates. So that means if someone clicks on your affiliate link, they have 3 days to come back to Walmart and make a purchase online, and you will still get credit for that purchase. Feel free to check out some of the other FAQs here on this Walmart affiliate website if you have any other questions. And if you have any more questions for me, leave a comment below this video and I'll do my best to help you out however you need it. Once again, guys, make sure you're liking, commenting, and subscribing for a chance to win gift cards weekly. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.